Are you being too cheap? When we are younger, we're taught to be careful with our money. Watch our pennies and by all means don't overspend. But as you grow your net worth over time, there may be certain levels where you can loosen up a little bit. I'm not talking about going crazy and that you should go on a spending spree, but using rules of thumb that maybe prove you don't have to watch every penny. Research from a professor at the University of Michigan's Ross School of Business found 15 to 25% of people have trouble spending money. Unfortunately, the opposite holds true as well. And about 15 to 25% of people, well, they have no trouble spending money and they actually overspend. While that is a whole separate problem, here we're talking about the people who have trouble spending money. The rule that has been established is called the 0.01% rule. What it states is that you should not fret over spending something that costs 0.01% of your net worth. In other words, if you have $1 million net worth exclusive of your home, and you're debating about buying something that would cost up to $100 that would make you happy, don't worry about it. Spend the $100. I will caution people, this does not mean you do this every day or apply the same thought over and over again, as that could add up in the long term. This concept of what I call realistic spending is designed to relieve some stress, as you should not beat yourself up about spending an extra $100 once in a while if it matches to your net worth. I myself have lived with a very frugal spending since I had a paper route when I was a boy and will now apply this rule going forward. I'm sure this will make my wife happier and there'll be less disagreements about some purchases going forward. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to give a like or comment and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.